the way you manage your energies is the way you manage your life. Sarang is asking, how can a businessman perform twin cycle of elite performance? दुकान तो अब रोज जाना पड़ता है. So you are basically asking Sarang how to ensure that I stay at the peak of my energy levels. How to stay at the top, energy levels. How to perform at my highest and my best at all times. Right? This is what your question is. I think I've answered this before. But again, how you manage your energy is a science which you need to learn. Your energy is something which usually comes in limited supply, guys. This is the reason you feel hungry, don't you? So, if you wish to learn how to manage your energy, you need to first create an account of where you are spending your energy. You are at the highest of your energy in the morning because your body has received enough rest and the midnight meal as well. Second highest at the energy you are after a couple of hours of your meal, because after having a meal for 2.5, 3 hours, it takes time for your body to absorb the energy. So again, roughly after 3 hours or something, you again feel more energized. Do you not? You do, right? So if you want to stay at the peak of your energy levels, make sure your mind does not expend its energy, because nowadays your body does not do so. You have a sedentary lifestyle. You have a desk job mostly. So it's always the mind which is spending and exhausting all your energy. So in order to be able to conserve your energy, you need to ensure that your mind does not engage in too many thoughts. It does not get too much of information. When you constantly scroll social media, you're bombarding your mind with too much of activity, too much of stimulus through audio, visual and all sorts of these things, which drains away your energy. So first thing, stop consuming social media as much as you do. It's useful. Of course it's useful. That's why we are here together. I'm able to add value to your lives. It's useful, but you are well aware that you are using it more than you should. Second, stop investing so much time in reading useless stuff like newspapers. I'm not saying don't read the newspaper. Read the headlines and read a limited thing which you find are useful, but don't indulge too much into it. Third, do not gossip a lot. A research says that nowadays 80% of our energy is spent in talking. This research was done, of course, before people got addicted to cell phones, it seems. Otherwise it would have been scrolling. So do not talk unnecessarily. You have a habit of talking unnecessarily with people. It can also mean chatting and verbalizing, both. So do not talk unnecessarily. Nothing can happen of this country. There are so many corona cases. I don't know when the vaccine would come and whatnot. This player has taken a retirement. Politics is this. Country is that. Pakistan is this. That person is that. Stop unnecessary gossip. Start talking about ideas. Start talking about your challenges. Start talking about what is good in someone and what does inspires you and you could learn from them. If you spend your energies more constructively, you would notice that your conversations with people become less and the energies within you become more. So try to have these intermittent silence breaks. What is intermittent silence? It is a practice wherein you do not speak for some periods of time during the day. Oh, is it an established practice? No, I am the one who's coining it. Like you have intermittent fasting, I am suggesting you take intermittent silence, wherein for some parts of the day, you go absolutely silent. You do not speak, you do not write, you do not consume anything which goes into your mind. You just remain silent, doing your work, doing what you are meant to do, what you have to do, what you want to do, what you need to do, just doing that, nothing else. No music, no chatting, no conversing, nothing else. Every day, make sure you spend some time in silence. And when I'm saying some time, I'm saying intermittent. Take these breaks of silence. These breaks could be of 1 hour after every 3 hours or 4 hours. It could be of half an hour, but half an hour is typically very less. So you need to take it more often. And best would be at least 2 hours. So if you take at least 2 breaks in a day of 2 hours, wherein you keep yourself absolutely silent, you do not give out information, you do not consume information, you just do your work. Trust me, this would recharge your energy levels to a great extent and would ensure that you function at your peak performance. Be a businessman, a student, an athlete, employee, anyone else, anyone and everyone. Alright, so start implementing these practices so as to stay at the top of your energy levels throughout the day. At the end of it, guys, the way you manage your energies is the way you manage your life. So it's really important to manage it well. Hope this helps you.